What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. This is Atheron Genesis Barcode final assembly. It will be the same for all locomotives that type, but I want to show you a couple of things will help you in the future. If you decided to do it, change bulbs, maybe decoder, so you can, of course you can, but I won't recommend to put it on the side because of those shades, okay? Also, up front and in the back, you need to watch for air hoses. So there is none actually catching the table, so we're good. Now I have plenty of wiring, all right? So this is how I'm doing it. Taking locomotive. The wire's long enough to do maintenance if I need. Original assembly was very tight if you need to change the bulbs. Then just carefully sliding inside. Again, checking no wires. There we go. Watch for horns and small detail parts, of course. This is it. Done. 2 screws holding the shell and couplers. That's it. So 16 wires and 2 more, so total 18 between shell and the body. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.